Today I'm going to be cooking the epitome of classical Indian food. I'll be doing a Rogan Josh, a Kashmiri style Rogan Josh. But I'll be using lamb shanks, cut in a bit like an ossobuco style. And then I'll show you the real secret of a Rogan Josh, which literally translated from Hindi means red juice. This refers to the deep, rich flavors, but also the deep, rich color of the curry, which is synonymous with the Rogan Josh, a good Rogan Josh. For this dish, what we're going to do is we're going to season, we're going to spice the oil in a pan, so get it hot and add the whole spices into it. So bits of cinnamon, some black peppercorn, some black cardamom in there. And this is a Kashmiri dish, so it doesn't involve a lot of these aromatic spices and bits of onions. But I've got this ossobuco which I'm going to sear on the hot pan until it's done nicely browned, and then remove the pieces of meat from there and add some chopped onions in there, and I'll cook it off until it's sort of really golden and nicely wilted. To that I'll add some ginger and garlic paste, a bit of cumin and coriander powder, a bit of red chilies, all that. I'll bring back the meat into it and then add a little bit of yogurt, and that's what makes the base of the sauce. This is onions and yogurt, really, no tomatoes traditionally. So I will add the yogurt little by little so that it gets incorporated but doesn't split, because if you add the whole yogurt in one go, then it splits. So once having done that, then we're going to add some stock into it, some ground roasted fennel seeds and some garam masala for aromatic quality. We'll put a lid onto the whole pan and then finish it in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes, depending on how long it takes. Actually, with a dish like this, you would want to cook it slow and long. The longer the better, the slower the better. So you want to bring out the gelatin, bring out all those sort of lovely juices from the meat. We are then going to just check the seasoning, see if we're happy with it. And then I'm going to heat a little bit of ghee and temper it with this really special bark of a tree. It's called Ratan Jyot in India, which has some medicinal properties, but largely used for this brilliant red color that it imparts to this Rogan Josh. So we're going to use that. But fear not, if you can't find that, you could easily replace Ratan Jyot with a bit of beetroot, just for that dark red color. So we're going to temper the Ratan Jyot in there, perhaps a little bit of coriander or something. We'll serve it straight up with either some pilau rice or some bread of your choice, whatever you prefer. There we go.